Hey everyone, and welcome to your financial education headquarters. This is Martins. Today we're cracking the code to financial freedom with 10 powerful money rules. We'll be talking about personal finance tips, budgeting apps to help you track your spending and save money, financial planning for beginners, and how to get out of debt. We'll even explore ways to make more money through passive income and early retirement tips. But here's the thing, most people forget these rules, even though millionaires swear by them. We'll show you how to budget money like a pro, build wealth, and achieve financial security by living below your means. This video is packed with actionable strategies to transform your finances, and we'll even touch on investing for beginners. Are you ready to unlock your financial potential? Buckle up and get ready to take notes. Rule number 1, know where your money goes. Track your spending. Personal finance tips, budgeting apps. Why it's powerful. You can't manage what you don't measure. Most people have no clue where their money disappears each month. Tracking expenses with budgeting apps or a simple spreadsheet reveals hidden leaks. Imagine finding an extra $200 a month you didn't realize you were spending on takeout. Millionaire move. John, a young professional, tracked his spending for a month. He discovered a daily coffee habit was costing $5 by 5 days equals $25 a week. Cutting back to twice a week saved $100 a month, which he invested. Over 20 years with compounding interest, that could be a significant sum. Like this video because that will encourage me to do better. Rule number 2, live below your means. Financial security, living below your means. Why it's powerful. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Resist lifestyle inflation. Don't upgrade your spending every time your income rises. Focus on building financial security first. Millionaire move. Sarah, a teacher, prioritized saving over a fancy car. She bought a reliable used car, saving thousands. She invested the difference and used a budgeting app to track expenses, ensuring she lived within her means. Over time, her investments grew, providing her with the financial freedom to retire early. Let's build wealth together. Share this video with friends. Rule number 3, pay yourself first. Saving money, building wealth. Why it's powerful. Treat saving money like a bill. Instead of manually transferring your money manually by yourself, automate transfers to your savings account as soon as you get paid. This out-of-sight, out-of-mind strategy ensures you save consistently and build wealth over time. Millionaire move. David, a contractor, set up automatic transfers of 10% of his income into his savings account each payday. He never missed the money, and it accumulated steadily. Over the years, this consistent saving, combined with smart investing, helped him reach millionaire status. Stay tuned for the next 7 money rules in part 2. Want to learn more about how to get out of debt, building passive income streams, investing for beginners, early retirement tips? Watch part 2 to unlock these money secrets and become unstoppable on your path to financial freedom. Part 2, 7 more money rules to break the code and become a millionaire. Rule number 4, tame the debt monster. Get out of debt. Why it's powerful. Debt is a wealth killer. High interest payments siphon money that could be building your wealth. Focus on eliminating high interest debt first, using strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche. Millionaire move. Lisa graduated with student loans. She used the debt snowball method, throwing extra money at the smallest debt first. The quick wins motivated her and freed up cash flow to tackle larger debts faster. Debt-free, she could finally invest aggressively for her future. Smash the like button now and turn on the notification button so as not to miss out in any of our videos. Rule number 5, invest early and consistently. Investing for beginners, building wealth. Why it's powerful. Time is your greatest wealth-building asset. Even small amounts invested early can grow exponentially thanks to compounding interest. Start with a beginner-friendly investment like a low-cost index fund and contribute regularly. Millionaire move. Michael started investing a small amount each month in his 20s. He didn't get rich quick, but over time, consistent investing and compounding returns fueled his wealth. By retirement, his investments had grown significantly, allowing him financial freedom. Which money rule surprised you the most? Let us know. Rule number 6, automate your finances. Budgeting apps, saving money. Why it's powerful. Automation removes temptation and ensures you stay on track. Set up automatic transfers for savings, bill payments, and investments. This set-it-and-forget-it approach makes financial management effortless. Millionaire move. Sarah, a busy entrepreneur, automated everything. Her bills were paid on time, savings grew steadily, and a portion of her income went into investments each month. Automation ensured her finances ran smoothly while she focused on growing her business. Rule number 7, embrace multiple income streams. Passive income ideas. Why it's powerful. Relying solely on one paycheck limits your earning potential. Explore ways to generate passive income, like renting a spare room, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or creating an online course. Millionaire move. David, a dentist, started a blog about dentistry in his free time. The blog generated passive income through advertising and affiliate marketing. While dentistry remained his primary income, the blog provided an additional income stream that fueled his wealth-building efforts. Don't wait. Start building your millionaire mindset now. Rule number 8. Educate yourself continuously. Financial planning for beginners. Why it's powerful. The financial landscape is constantly changing. Stay up to date on personal finance best practices, investing strategies, and tax laws. Read books, listen to podcasts, and take online courses to become financially literate. Millionaire move. Lisa never stopped learning. She read personal finance books, attended workshops, and listened to financial podcasts. This continuous learning kept her informed and allowed her to make sound financial decisions that helped her on her path to becoming a millionaire. Rule number 9. Seek professional guidance. Financial planning for beginners. Why it's powerful. A financial advisor can provide personalized advice based on your unique financial goals and situation. They can help you create a comprehensive financial plan, develop investment strategies, and navigate complex financial decisions. Millionaire move. John consulted a financial advisor early in his career. The advisor helped him set realistic goals, develop a personalized investment plan, and make informed decisions that maximized his wealth-building potential. Share this video on your socials and help someone who needs financial guidance. Rule number 10. Celebrate your wins and stay motivated. Why it's powerful. Building wealth takes time and discipline. Celebrating milestones, big or small, keeps you motivated on your financial journey. Did you reach your savings goal? Reward yourself. Paid off a credit card? Treat yourself to a small celebratory dinner. Millionaire move. Sarah, a teacher, tracked her progress towards her financial goals using a budgeting app. Every time she hit a milestone, like saving a certain amount or paying off a debt, she celebrated with a small reward. This positive reinforcement kept her motivated and on track for her long-term financial goals. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. By following these 10 money rules, celebrating your wins, and staying motivated, you can unlock your path to financial freedom and potentially even become a millionaire. Here comes the bonus tip. You have to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell icon for our latest financial educational video. If you are serious about getting rich, watch these videos.